అందరికీ శుభోదయం. గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ టు వన్ అండ్ ఆల్. వెల్కమ్ టు లీగల్ మ్యాటర్స్ బై సాయిబాబు సుంకర. ఈ వీడియోలో వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు డిస్కస్ వెన్ ఏ నాన్ బెయిలబుల్ వారెంట్ కెన్ బి రిటర్న్డ్. Allhabad High Court said only on two conditions. Number one, when death of the warranty takes place. Number two, when he flees away from the country. వాడు చనిపోతే లేదా దేశంలో లేడను అని ప్రూవ్ చేయగలిగితే then only warrant will be returned. Otherwise, the warrant will continue for so many times. In the case of Maulana, Khurshid, Jamil and others versus State of UP, Criminal Appeal number 1008/84 on 2/12/2025, two judges bench of Allhabad High Court, Justice J.J. Munir and Justice Sanjeev Kumar, held that NBW can be returned only on two conditions which I have just now narrated. Otherwise, police, they have to make efforts to trace him. ఈ కేసు చూస్తే దిస్ ఈజ్ అన్ అపీల్ కేస్ ఆఫ్ 1984, 1008/1984. In this case, a warrant was issued, NBW was issued against Maulana, Khurshid, Jamal Khadri. Why? Because he was involved in a case, he was convicted, the case came to the High Court and he was given bail in the year 1984. Once he came out on bail, finished. He was not traced. Then warrant was issued against him, NBW. The police made efforts. Actually, it was learned that he worked as a private tutor. He used to teach Arabic to the Muslim students in Prayagraj in a friend's house. That friend said that he came from Muzzafarpur. He was in Muzzafarpur for some time. Then he moved on to Darbhanga and ultimately came to Prayagraj where this incident took place. He was arrested. Ultimately, he was given bail. NBW ఉంది కాబట్టి the police made efforts. Of course, ఏదో చిన్న serious issue అయి ఉంటుంది. The Commissioner of Police on 2/12/2025 he has given the report. He has given in detail the efforts made by his staff to trace out the fugitive. Ultimately, of course, they have taken all precautions. The NBW was not executed. Therefore, they requested the court to issue proclamation orders 82 CRPC. Of course, attachment, because he has no properties, attachment would not take place under 83 CRPC. They have followed the procedure. And they have contacted the sureties. They came to know that one surety died in the first surety died in 2006 itself. The second also passed away. There is no hope of tracing him even after this 1984 means almost 40 years. Therefore, the warrant may be returned. Warrant is herewith returned. And High Court refused to accept the report. This is a case of 41 years old case, 1984 appeal. Of course, the person disappeared without tracing, but the court held that police cannot simply claim that the fugitive was not found. Actually, the report, ఎందుకంటే దీనిలో chronological events మొత్తం చూశాను. The CP has given a categorical description of the efforts made by their staff to trace him out. So, no useful information could be gathered as to the presence, as to the residence of the so-called Maulana Khurshid Jamil. Previously, he used to live in a room in a friend's house in Prayagraj, having come for Muzzafarpur. Enquiries were made at Muzzafarpur, enquiries made at Darbhanga, but still enquiries were made in Prayagraj, particularly in area called as Handiya, but not traced. But High Court said the report of the Commissioner is not satisfactory. We want him to be brought before the court, even if he is concealed in any part of the country. వాడు భారతదేశంలో ఏ మూల దాక్కున్నా సరే వాడిని తీసుకొచ్చి మనం హాజరు పెట్టాల్సింది. వీఆర్ నాట్ గోయింగ్ టు యాక్సెప్ట్ దిస్ రిపోర్ట్. అంటూ when NBW will be returned, when NBW will be returned only on two conditions. One, on the death of the person. Second, there is evidence that he fled away the country. Right? So only on these two conditions. Therefore, the Commissioner of Police should make further efforts, and further report will be on 11/12/2025. చూద్దాం ఏమవుతుందో. నాకు తెలిసి ఏమీ కాదు, అదే కంటిన్యూ అవుతుంది. బట్ ఎనీవే, the important points raised by the High Court are very, very important in this case. Two conditions, death or fleeing away from the country. అలా అయితే చేస్తానంటే చేయమన్నారు. ఇలా చాలా సందర్భాల్లో వస్తుంటాయి. నో డౌట్ ఇక్కడ కోర్టు యొక్క ప్రాస్పెక్టివ్, ఎందుకంటే ఒక మనిషి ఎట్టి పరిస్థితుల్లో వదలకూడదు, ఎన్బిడబ్ల్యూ ఉన్నోడిని ఎట్టి పరిస్థితుల్లో లోపలేయాలి, అది వాళ్ళ ఇంటెన్షన్. If you understand this intention is sufficient. So I am stopping here. Thank you very much.